people. Third reason, stem width. Trees narrow the higher you go. It's easier to cut the tree the narrower it is. Sometimes I can only cut the tree from one side due to an obstacle, etc. So the trunk cannot be wider than my chainsaw's bar. Also, shifting from one side of the tree to another slows the work down.